So during the series we're going to look at 8 basic SharePoint features really that end users would use in starting off with SharePoint, and it can act as a training process really to show people who are new to SharePoint in schools how they can get by in the first phase using the different basic features. So we'll do 2 a day for the next 4 days, and the first one we're going to look at is adding a notice to a site. So how do you actually add a notice to a SharePoint site? Let's go over to the Twynham School SharePoint, and if we just go up to Parents, as I have a notice that I want to put on there, here is the Parent Gateway. If I move this up, so I've got a current notice running there, but I want to add one more, and this tab appears here and it just says Add New Announcement. I can click on this and it opens this section for new items for announcements. So a number of options here. I'm going to write the title, which is about Year 11 reports, and in the main box here you can see I have rich text editing features. I can add images or hyperlinks. I can change the text. I'm going to go for simple text here, and the information is as follows. Very simple message. Now, as I say, once I've actually typed the message in, I could change all the information, make the notice bold, etc. But at the bottom here is the final pieces, and one of the things we've done is ensure that an expiry date is actually essential before you can set a message. This avoids messages being left on the gateway for long periods of time when they're finished with. The default position is that all notices on the gateway will be seen by staff, but then there are 2 further options in terms of permissions. They can be seen by parents and or students. So once I've ticked which groups I want to see it, I can click OK, and that will instantly load up onto the gateway, which we can see here, and we can see we have a new notice, and that's how you add a notice to a SharePoint site.